Hello, so today I'm going to show you how to have cursors for objects or actions like on the screen right now. I got this idea from RuneScape when I was playing today, and I was thinking how would this work and look in Unity. So I went along and started to do this, so I thought I would show you how to do it so you can add it into your project. So the first thing you need to do is open up a blank script and make a project with nothing but the terrain, a camera and a directional light. So once you're in your script, you need to start off declaring some 2D textures. So this is going to be your starting cursor that you're going to show. So public texture 2D. Yeah, I'm going to have a default cursor, default, and I'm going to have some more of these. So I'm going to show you 3 for an example today. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to show you mining, wood cutting, and attack. So the next step is we're going to have to have a private ray, and now in the make a start function, so what we're going to have here, we're going to have set cursor texture, and we're going to call the default one in there, and then we need to add this method so people can access it. So above that, or anywhere really, you can add void set cursor texture texture 2D texture. So then inside this, what you do next is you put cursor dot set cursor. So the first parameter needs to be the texture. So you call this. The second one needs to be vector 2.0. The next one needs to be cursor mode dot auto. So next, this is where we're going to put our main bulk of the code. So next we're going to put void update, and then we're going to have a raycast. 1 second. So we're going to have a raycast hit then we have ray equals camera dot main dot screen pointer, and then capitalize it, input dot mouse position. The next thing we'll have is an if statement. So if physics dot raycast. If you've lost a lot of mistakes when we're typing, it's because I'm using this new Rider software for coding, and it's still in beta, so it keeps putting stuff which shouldn't be there. But if you're using other stuff like IntelliJ or Visual Studio, it should be perfectly fine. You won't have all these issues. Out hit. Next, you need another if statement inside that, and I'm going to call it hit. Well, we're going to say hit collider dot game object dot name dot contains. So this one's going to be mining, and then inside that I'm going to put set cursor texture mining. I'm going to put again, so outside that I'm going to put if hit. Well, you can just copy this. Wood cutting Copy it again. Attack. Instead of doing this, I'll do it else. So copy this is there and there. We'll put set cursor wood cutting. And then I want to set it back to the default one after all that. So as you can see, whilst we're updating the code, we're basically just making it so it's set in a different texture while the new texture. So that's why I made that method. So I don't have to call the big line all the time. And it just looks a lot better. So I'll save that, and now in Unity, hang on. In Unity, what I'm going to make 3 cubes as reference, cube 1. And when it starts to make a cube, there we go. Then just 1, 2. Right, so I have 3 cubes now. So a lot of stuff people do is they make a tag for it, but to me I don't see a point of doing that because you might want to use a tag for something else. So what I do, I make it so if the names contain mining cube, then wood cutting cube, and then attack cube. So it just made sure I didn't make any mistakes here. So basically what it's doing is, if you have anything containing the word mining, woodcutting or attack inside the name, it's gonna say, oh, it's got that name, let's display this cursor. So let me just rename these again. So the next step is to add the textures. So I made an image folder, and this is some of the RS cursors which I will link in the description for you to test out. So we need the attack, we need the normal one, we need the mining, and we need the woodcutting one. So what I'm going to do now is, once you have these, you notice I have some black stuff. So what you need to do, you need to click on it, texture type, then we need to make a cursor, apply. And we do this for every single one. So once you've done that, you need to create an empty, and we need to just say attach to create, so new, and then put all the right ones in here, so default, mining, woodcutting, and attack. So let's run this and have a look. The camera's not in 1 sec. There we go. So as you can see, it's showing an attack cursor, it's going to show attack cursor again, and a woodcutting attack, and that caused someone gone. Made a mistake here somewhere. What's this one? That's attack. There we go. And that's woodcutting. I just named him attack twice, as you saw. So now if you load it up, attack, again, not doing it for some reason, woodcutting. So it's because you can't rename stuff in here. You have to rename it here. I always make that mistake. So now for us to try it. Mining, there we go. Attack, wood cutting. And default. Mining. Wood cutting, mining, attack, default. So what you could do if you wanted is, you could, in the code, if you wanted to make it more neat, you can make an enum, which contains the name and like an ID number, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you could just have the if cursor contains, goes to the enum, set cursor number of the number. So that's about it really. So I've now showed you how to add custom cursors inside your project, and if you want to know, the cursor size is 32 by 32, and the point of the mouse is on the top left corner, as you can see with the point here. And if the cursor is bigger, it should automatically recenter it so it's be perfectly fitting. So okay, that's it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching and see you again.